Kani kediga Batisi TV, bat pidang pek yaki kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Inaugurate this Alpine Mart. This is not only opening the shop but also creating a job opportunity to many young boys and girls in our state. Congratulations to the owner, particularly to Uncle for showing their way to start this kind of venture. Congratulations.
Uba Alexander Elhek, Menteri Ketanat Kakoi Kakia Jong Sorkar Jalla, Haganop Haisni Joga Arpo Tarik Ujilio Arjar Arpo, Ulapli Pai Baya Ketukan Detiar Kebadon GS Road, Hakabala Saki Lang Daki Katto Gani Kinrem Dilendan Kuntubru, Yau Try Jong Kedukan Ukamal Agarwal. Laban kedau banalor kani kedukan ya kebala jer ka Alpine Mart. Kala ai kam ya ki katto kani ki kon samla khasi, kalong ru gajing plelat plelenti ya ki wei ki reudon sap, ki basna bat penmi ya ki tiar penon kam, kum ki pliang ki shamoy bat pela ki ba omdei ki plastik bat ki ba light na gajing penjot ya kamariang. Hangni la ro banyo ya ki plakot, ki tiar shet bat ki tiar bu song, kum juru ya ki jing penon kam na benta ban yada na uknyang jipang COVID-19. Kum ki hand sanitizer, ki mask bat kum ta terter.